Welcome to our YouTube channel today. We're going to be showing you how to make a stereo microscope parfocal. You can actually adjust it and set it up for your own eyes so that you can see properly. As you notice, we're demonstrating this today on a Nikon SMZ 745. You'll see the 10x eyepieces have a dual dioptic adjustment. There's an indicator on the eyepieces, and the 0 is the neutral setting or starting position for adjusting your eyepieces. We'll run through this procedure and hopefully it will help you with your microscope inspection. This is a common setup for all microscopes. First thing you want to do is adjust your stereo zoom setting to the highest position. Place a sample underneath, and then using the focus of the microscope, you'll want to adjust your coarse focus until the sample is sharp and clear through the eyepieces. Once this is done, you'll go to the lowest magnification setting. In this instance, it happens to be 0.67 on the zoom, or 6.7x. And then you'll adjust for the left eye and the right eye independently, turning the diopter adjustment on each eyepiece. Once this has been done, you'll be able to go through the entire zoom range of the microscope, and the sample should remain in focus for you. Now you've set this up for your eyepiece, for your own eyes, using the eyepieces on the microscope, just like a pair of prescription eyeglasses. Now I'm going to show you what this will look like once this is adjusted properly. This is looking through the microscope. Highest magnification, focus, and then lowest magnification, adjust each eyepiece. Now when you go through the zoom setting, your sample will remain in focus for you. This will eliminate common problems such as blurred vision or even headaches. Thank you very much. If you'd like more information on this microscope, please visit our store. It's at brookandcoestore.com, BROOKANCO estore.com. You will also see this in the description of the video. Thank you.